Hello, we are the Visionaries, and for our project, we worked with Westlake Chemical to create software that can recognize handwritten characters and convert them into their digital form. But who is Westlake Chemical? Westlake Chemical is an international manufacturer and supplier of various chemicals and building products, one of the largest in the US, ranking among the Forbes Global 2000. At all of Westlake's manufacturing sites, the products have to be accurately measured and recorded, but many of Westlake's sites are old and don't have the technology to record these measurements digitally, so information is recorded on physical paper during an engineer's rounds on certain days of the week. Engineers end up wasting so much time manually typing these measurements, not to mention the confusion caused by typos and human error. To tackle this problem, first we segmented these handwritten sheets of paper to equally sized images. Then we trained and tested various models to recognize the data on these sheets and convert them to their digital form. This automated data collection would allow for access to 100% of the data versus 14% that is collected during the weekly rounds. This not only saves engineers from spending time manually inputting data, but also saves money and resources by reducing human error. Feel free to stop by our poster for more details on our project.